This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in West Sussex, England. 1. Arundel Castle and Gardens. Start your West Sussex adventure at Arundel Castle, one of the most magnificent and complete medieval castles in England. This fairy tale fortress has been the ancestral home of the Dukes of Norfolk for over 850 years. As you approach, you'll be awed by its soaring turrets and imposing gatehouse. You can explore the castle's finely preserved rooms, including the Baron's Hall, the Regency Library, and the Catholic Fitzalan Chapel. Ascend the Norman Motte and keep for sweeping views over the town and the South Downs. Outside, you can wander through award-winning gardens, including a stunning formal Victorian garden, a whimsical stumpery, and the Collector Earl's Garden. The views from the ramparts are breathtaking. Plan to spend at least half a day here. It's a full day out that feels like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. 2. Petworth House and Park. Next, visit Petworth House, a magnificent 17th-century mansion set within a 700-acre deer park, designed by the legendary landscape architect Capability Brown. This National Trust property is famous for its world-class art collection, featuring works by Turner, Van Dyck, and Reynolds. You can tour the lavish staterooms and admire the intricate carvings by Grinling Gibbons. Outside, the parkland is home to hundreds of fallow deer that roam freely. You can walk through the park, enjoy the stunning views, and watch the deer graze against the backdrop of the South Downs. The charming town of Petworth itself is a haven for antiques hunters, with cobbled streets, independent shops, and a covered antiques market. Stop for a delicious lunch at the Hungry Guest Deli, which offers local cheeses and chutneys. Petworth House is a true treasure of West Sussex. 3. Chichester Cathedral. Explore the historic city of Chichester and its magnificent Norman Gothic cathedral. This iconic building has dominated the skyline for nearly 950 years. Inside, you can discover a wealth of treasures, including a stunning stained glass window by Marc Chagall, a tapestry by John Piper, and a remarkable Roman mosaic. The cathedral is a living church and a place of quiet contemplation. For a unique experience, you can climb the spire, which was rebuilt by the Victorian architect George Gilbert Scott, for panoramic views over the city and the surrounding countryside. Chichester itself is a charming city with a warm, compact atmosphere. It's a perfect place to explore on foot, with independent shops, cafes, and the nearby Pallant House Gallery. 4. Goodwood Estate's Thrills. Experience the adrenaline and elegance of the Goodwood Estate, a world-renowned destination for motorsport and horse racing. This historic estate hosts the legendary Festival of Speed, a thrilling hill climb featuring historic racing cars, and the Goodwood Revival, a nostalgic celebration of motorsport's golden era. If you visit outside of these major events, you can still tour the spectacular Goodwood House, a Grade 1 listed mansion, or explore the estate's beautiful grounds. The estate also offers regular summer horse racing, live music events, and even flights in vintage planes. A visit to Goodwood is a quintessential West Sussex experience, combining speed, glamour, and heritage. 5. Wakehurst's Botanical Wonder. Discover the wild botanical wonderland of Wakehurst, managed by the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew. This 500-acre country estate features spectacular gardens from around the world, including the Himalayan Glade, the Southern Hemisphere Garden, and the vibrant Bethlehem Wood. You can explore the stunning Loder Valley Nature Reserve, home to birds, dragonflies, and badgers. The estate is also home to the Millennium Seed Bank, the world's largest seed conservation project. Kids will love the Children's Heritage Garden, where they can dig up wooden vegetables and pot seeds. Wakehurst is a feast for the senses and a place of global importance. 6. West Wittering Beach. Spend a relaxing day on the beautiful West Wittering Beach, a blue flag-awarded stretch of fine white sand. Located at the mouth of Chichester Harbor, this beach offers stunning views across to the Isle of Wight. The surrounding area is a haven for wildlife, with salt marshes and dunes where you can spot birds and seals. It's a popular spot for swimming, windsurfing, and kite surfing. You can also take a peaceful stroll along the footpaths around East Head, pack a picnic, bring a bucket and spade, and enjoy a classic English seaside day out. It's a fantastic spot for families. 7. South Downs National Park. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the stunning South Downs National Park, which covers a large part of West Sussex. This protected landscape offers rolling chalk hills, ancient woodland, and dramatic coastline. You can walk sections of the South Downs Way, a long-distance trail that offers breathtaking views across the county. For a spectacular view, head to Devil's Dyke, described by the artist John Constable as the grandest view in the world. You can also visit Sisbury Ring, an ancient hill fort with photo-worthy views. The park is a paradise for walkers, cyclists, and nature lovers. 8. Bignor Roman Villa. Step back in time nearly 2,000 years at Bignor Roman Villa, home to some of the most beautifully preserved Roman mosaics in the UK. You can get close enough to touch the mosaics, including the spectacular design of Ganymede being carried away by an eagle. Other highlights include vivid mosaics of gladiators fighting and the figure of Medusa. The on-site museum displays a fascinating collection of artifacts uncovered during the dig. After exploring the villa, enjoy a cream tea in the tea room with stunning views of the South Downs. Bignor Roman Villa is a fascinating and intimate glimpse into Roman Britain. 9. Weald and Downland Museum. Explore the Weald and Downland Living Museum, an open-air museum near Chichester. This unique museum is home to rescued historic buildings from across the region, including Tudor cottages, a Victorian school, and a medieval farmstead. You can watch craftspeople demonstrating traditional skills, see farm animals, and follow trails that tell the story of rural life over the centuries. It's a wonderful, interactive experience for the whole family, bringing history to life in a beautiful, peaceful setting. Hit the like button if you liked the video. If you want exciting offers on flights and hotels, check the description below. Next, 10. Arundel Wetland Center. Finally, immerse yourself in nature at the WWT Arundel Wetland Center, a haven for wildlife along the Arun Valley. You can hop aboard a boat safari, spot ducks, dragonflies, and kingfishers, and explore the network of paths and hides. The center is perfect for a peaceful walk, and there are plenty of activities for families. It's a serene and beautiful spot, offering a calm escape into the county's rich natural heritage.